Well, there's another one gone on. Melty windscreen, melty roof, fire started in this direction. That's all wiring loom. That's all wiring loom. That's all wiring loom, wiring loom, wiring loom. Filter's got melty. Oh look, there's the glass bowl at the bottom of the filter, or plastic, see-through. Yeah, the fire brigade give it a lovely wash though. ECU's good. Ish. Air filter's got holes. God alive. Enter the cab from this direction. All got a bit melty really. That's... Inside isn't too bad. His blind's a bit melty and a bit of the cab's a bit liquefied. How the hell the rest of it didn't go up though? Glass everywhere, windscreen went smash. Look at that, look. It's like grease. But yeah, she a goner. Unless anyone's interested in a good bit of wiring. Apart from that, it is really just kind of there. Other side isn't, well, it's a similar story to this, but there's only an exhaust system over there. There's the air filtery bit. There is the air filter. There. I need one of those in mine. Bloody hell. Don't quite understand why that bent out, but apart from that, it's mostly intact. No one for spares repair. That's a bit of an issue. It's in the bloody way. Took the handbrake off now. We had to drag it straight because it kept trying to turn to the hedge. All the steering pipes are burnt, all the brake pipes are burnt, so you can't steer it independent. Oh, come on, little donkey. You see the wheels just kind of turn themselves. There's no operator. Let's see where the windscreen wiper used to wipe. Oh, poor little tractor. Thing's just fucked, isn't it? Come on, donkey. On into the field. Good donkey, good donkey. No, bad donkey.